Hello there, and welcome back to the studio. In today's session, we'll get into the spirit of Tabletop World's Farmstead Kickstarter campaign by painting the peasant from the farmer stall, which is part of the Altburg Market. Let's bring this brave country folk to life together. The model we're painting was designed and 3D printed by Tiny Furniture. It was part of the Altburg Market Kickstarter campaign from Tabletop World and is now available in the Tiny Furniture online store or as a 3D printable STL file on their My Mini Factory page. We've included direct links in the video description if you're interested in purchasing this miniature. We were inspired to paint this model today because it's the last day to back the Tabletop World's Realm of Altburg Farmstead Kickstarter campaign. If you enjoy the hobby of painting miniature models, you really need to check out all the wonderful models included in this Kickstarter. For those interested in seeing more or participating in the campaign, we've included a link in the video description. Okay, now let's paint. Here we go, the base coat is finished. It's an easy model to paint, the clothes are well defined from each other, and all the corners are easy to reach. We'll now apply shade before starting the highlights to enhance each color. Adding wear to the edges and raised areas of the clothing is a fun way to make them look worn. Textures can also be painted in to create even more realism. Finally, stains and dirt will be added for the finishing touches. That's all for today's painting session. We hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to have a look at the Tabletop World's Farmstead Kickstarter. It's ending this Thursday. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep on painting and take care.